Peace of mind. That's what Uptime brings to the picture. You can touch Uptime, you can see Uptime, but when you tell a customer, hey, we have an Uptime team that monitors this truck on a daily basis, that inspect all the vehicles and have a maintenance program that is followed, the customers understand that, hey, they will be able to deliver what I need to.
Look at maintenance on these, it's almost shifting more towards the mindset of aircraft maintenance, where we're going to look at it, that part has a set expiration date. If it's run 2,000 engine hours, even though there's nothing wrong with it, let's go and replace it before it could potentially cause a breakdown. The fact that we're trying to get these trucks up and running, 24/7, where they don't have to worry about a reset on the log, they don't have to worry about a weight scale, it's going to just completely revolutionize the trucking industry.
We love working with Volvo Autonomous Solutions. The partnership has been very strong so far, especially on the ground here in Texas. The autonomous vehicles become super valuable when they're on the road more time than a human driver could be on the road. So the more uptime we have, the more time the vehicle is on the road and is valuable for our partners.
So the technology change that is coming with the autonomous program can be daunting, but it's definitely not our first experience with technology shifts, right?
They're pretty much the same from the engine side to the after treatment. And then there's extra added things to check, as in grounds and batteries, as there's a second set of batteries.
I don't foresee anything that we're not gonna be able to overcome with some training. Our goal is to repair the truck quickly, communicate to our customers, and fix it right the first time. So it's really not gonna matter to us if it has a driver or not.
Sometimes people get a little bit, mixed up with what we do because they think that we fix broken things, right? But we actually work to avoid broken things, So Uptime, out of the whole, business circle, is the peace of mind, pretty much.